Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to science class. Open your book page 30. Today our topic is ecosystems. Ecosystems. First I will tell you what is an ecosystem. The place where living interact with each other and with their non-living environment is called an ecosystem. The place where living interact with each other and with their non-living environment is called an ecosystem. Now start reading. Ecosystems. Plants and animals depend on each other to survive. They have adapted to live with each other and in their habitats. The living things in a particular place interact with each other and with their non-living environments. Non-living environments are weather, earth, sun, soil, climate and atmosphere. This is called an ecosystem. In an ecosystem, each living thing has its own special role to play. Our environment is divided into two components, living component and non-living component. Living components are plants, animals, microorganisms, birds, etc. And non-living components are fire, air, sunlight, soil, weather, climate and atmosphere. As from definition of an ecosystem, the place where living interact with each other. So example of living and living interaction is human beings eats animals or animals eats plants. So here one living component depend on another living component to survive. And the place where living interaction with each other and with their non-living environment. Now example of living and non-living interaction is when human beings take oxygen from air during breathing. So humans are living component and air is non-living component. And another example is plants take carbon dioxide from air during photosynthesis. So plants depend on non-living component for making their food. Now come to next page. Ecosystems can be affected if a new plant or animal is introduced into them. The new arrival can push others out and this can affect the living things that depend on them. For example, एक एरिया में सिर्फ गोट्स है और वो प्लांट्स को खाते हैं और फिर उसी एरिया में काउस आ जाते हैं फॉर ईटिंग प्लांट्स. सो एज कंपेयर टू गोट्स, काउस आर मच स्ट्रॉन्गर, सो दे विल फीड ऑन दैट प्लांट्स. और गोट्स जो होते हैं वो बेचारे काउस के साथ मुकाबला नहीं कर सकते तो वो उस एरिया को छोड़कर चले जाते हैं. द न्यू अराइवल कैन पुश अदर्स आउट and this can affect the living things that depend on them. So now ecosystems can also be disrupted by natural disasters such as storms, floods, fire and volcanic eruptions. Ecosystems can also be disrupted by natural disasters such as storms, floods, fires and volcanic eruptions. Disrupted mean तबाह करना, ख़त्म करना. And natural disasters means कुदरती आफात such as storms, तूफान, floods, सैलाब, fires, आग का लगना and volcanic eruption, आतिशफशा पहाड़ का फट जाना. इससे भी इकोसिस्टम जो है वो तबाह हो जाता है, ख़त्म हो जाता है, डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है. Some animals are extinct. Now what is mean by extinct? Extinct means that they no longer exist. No longer exist. The dinosaurs become extinct long ago. This is a dinosaur. Dinosaurs and dodo. Some animals become extinct due to the actions of humans. The dodo, a flightless bird, was hunted until no more remained. So the main cause of animal extinction is due to overhunting. So students, now your homework is do reading of page 30 and underline difficult words. Okay students, take care and Allah Hafiz. See you next time.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما